Michelin comes out swinging in the new year with an upgrade to its multi-purpose and do-it-all sport touring tire. As the nomenclature implies, the Road 5 replaces the Pilot Road 4, a wet weather favorite of ours for the past 4 years. All fitment is for 17-inch wheels, with initial sizing limited to 120 series fronts and 150 through 190 series rears. Externally, the tire employs less siping on the edges for better feel and stability near maximum lean. It's complemented by adaptive casing technology Plus, in which the carcass's casing plies overlap in the sidewall and shoulder sections for greater rigidity without compromising ride quality in a straight line. Together, these changes should amount to less flex for increased handling performance in dry conditions. Rain riders, there's no need to fret, as Michelin's XST Evo Sipe Groove technology lets the tread channels grow, moving water even more effectively as the tire wears. The design is so effective, Michelin claims a worn Road 5 with 3,500 miles is as effective as a fresh Pilot Road 4 during private wet testing. Like before, the Road 5 uses dual compound zones front and rear with fresh compound formulas. Specifically, the softer shoulder compound zones have been extended by 3%, and the longer-lasting center compound now occupies 44% surface area up front. The rear benefits from compound layering similar to the Power RS Sport tire. Deemed 2CT Plus technology, a softer rubber formula is laid on top of a more durable, uniform base. This complements ACT Plus and further elevates rigidity at lean. The softer edge rubber zones have been reduced from 40% of total surface area to 17% on either side. Heavyweight options, as well as larger wheel ADV sizes, are coming later this year. Until then, Michelin will continue to offer its existing Road 4 GT and Trail versions. Click the link in the description to find out more about Michelin's Road 5 tires, and be sure to follow us for more product spotlights and reviews.